Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Loves Simple Cooking, guys. So today I'm gonna make some pumpkin and squash soup. So what I'm gonna put some carrots in the soup, some potato. This is the squash. I'm gonna peel it, and the pumpkin and some chicken feet, guys. So I'll be back, guys, as soon as I finish cleaning up everything. So guys, I'm cutting off the nail part of the chicken foot. So if you have a scissors, guys, and meat scissors, you just use that to cut off the nail. Yes, this part you can't eat, guys. So I'll check you back, guys. So guys, I took off all the nails off the chicken foot. So now I'm gonna just wash the chicken foot with some vinegar. Guys, I'm gonna rinse off the chicken foot with some vinegar. You cannot soak the chicken foot in the vinegar because it's gonna take out this taste. So you just rinse off the chicken foot, and then yes, guys. So now I'm gonna peel the pumpkin. Take out the seed. So guys, I'm gonna put this stuff in the pressure cooker so that it cooks. So everything cook quick. So now you're gonna cut out the edges of the pumpkin because they cut it up in the store. So you're gonna cut off it, and you're gonna peel it, guys. Yes, guys. So there you go. I finished peeling the squash and the pumpkin. So I'm gonna put some carrot in the soup also. So I'm just gonna cut up everything. Cut up the carrots. After you peel the pumpkin, guys, you just cut it up. Cut up everything. So it's easier to cook, guys. Yes, guys. So now I'm cutting up the carrots. These are baby carrots that I bought in the supermarket, so you just cut them off. And guys, I'm gonna put everything in the pressure cooker so that it could cook quick, and then I'll use it. So now, guys, I'm gonna cut up the squash. So guys, I'm gonna put a piece of chocho. Yes, guys, so there you go. Everything is all cut up: the pumpkin, the squash, and the carrots, guys. Also, I already cleaned the chicken feet and washed everything, so I'm gonna put everything in the pressure cooker, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna put the chicken feet in the soup, the pressure cooker. So guys, because I'm pressuring everything one time, so I'm gonna just put all the vegetables in because I'm gonna pressure everything. So guys, everything is in the pressure cooker. So now I'm gonna close it and then let everything pressure. Yes, guys, so this is a white yam. So I'm just gonna peel it. I'm gonna use some Idaho potato also and some dumpling, guys. So now I'm gonna peel my potato. Here you go, guys. So guys, because this is gonna go into soup, I'm gonna cut them up, guys, in cubes. I cut them up in cubes, guys. Guys, be careful if you're gonna cook white yam because it scratch you. Can scratch your skin. But because I'm used to it, guys, so it's not gonna scratch me. So this is what I'll do. Then you cut them up in cubes, guys. Same thing with the potato. Cut everything in cubes. So there you go, guys, everything all cut up in cubes. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna cook the soup in this pot. So I put the potato and the yam to cook separately. Alright, guys, watch the process, guys. So guys, I'm getting my flour ready. So I'm gonna make the dough for the dumpling. Now I'm gonna mix the dough, guys. I'm not putting any salt in there, guys, because the rest of my food gonna have salt. So I usually I don't put salt in the dough when I'm making it for the soup. There you go, guys, the dough is all ready. The flour is needed. So that's it. So guys, I'm gonna put some celery in my soup also, guys. So you just wash them and cut them up, guys. Because this is a vegetable soup, so I'm just gonna put some celery. I forget that I have celery, so I'm just gonna put some in there, guys. Alright, guys, so watch the process, guys. There you go, guys, celery already cut up. So I'm gonna add this to my pot. So guys, I'm gonna put some corn also. These are corn that I bought at the supermarket and I freeze them. Now I defrost them, not fully defrost, guys, but I just take my knife and chop them up. So this is my corn that I'm gonna put in the soup also. So guys, there you go, the yam and the potato and the celery is boiling, and there goes the pressure cooker running with the chicken foot and the squash and the carrots and the pumpkin. Alright, guys, so watch the process, guys. Yes, guys, so when you finish your pressure cooker, you put it in water to cool down, or run cold water from the pipe to cool it down, guys, before you open it. Okay, guys, there you go, it's all cooled down. I'm gonna open. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna pour this out in a bigger pot. Yes, guys, so there you go. So now I'm pouring everything into a bigger pot, guys. So there you go, guys. Everything gonna boil down, and so I'm gonna leave it to boil for a while. Yes, guys, so now I'm gonna put in my dumpling. So I made these. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna put this vegetable soup flavor mix in so that it could boil with the stuff while it's cooking, and then later on I'm gonna put the rest of the noodle soup. case I'm not using salt, guys, I'm only using this. So I want the food, all the vegetable to have the taste, so I'm gonna put this in for now. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna season up my soup. I'm putting some scallion. So usually guys, I just take my knife and run through the scallion. So now guys, I'm gonna put some thyme. And some parsley. I'm gonna put the corn. Yes, the corn don't take long to cook, guys, so that's why I put in the corn last. Yes guys, so I'm gonna stir it, and I'm gonna put some allspice. I blend out the allspice, guys. Put some allspice, guys. I'm not using any butter because the chicken foot already have grease in it, so I don't need to put butter. And I'm putting some fish soup mix. So all these stuff have butter and oil in them, guys, and salt. So I'm not using no salt, I'm just using the noodle mix to season everything. So guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper, my homemade pepper sauce. And I'm gonna put a little bit of dill. And then I'm gonna cover this, guys, and let it stay here and cook down, guys. Alright guys, so guys, watch the process, guys. I'll be back. Yes guys, so here goes the soup. Just cooking it down a little bit more, guys. Nice and thick and creamy. Yes guys, so this is our vegetable soup with corn, dumpling, yam, Idaho potato, carrot, celery, and seasoning with Maggi with soup mix. Yes guys, so guys, if you are still watching, please comment, like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it, guys. So there you go, guys. Corn and dumpling, guys. Corn, dumpling and carrots. So this is a vegetable pumpkin soup, guys. The chicken foot is cooked. Everything is well done, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, comment and share. I appreciate your support, guys. So guys, I'm gonna go by my daughter. So I'm not gonna eat now, guys. So I'm just gonna pour some food, some of the soup going somewhere. So I'm gonna take this with me. there you go, guys. So I'm just gonna eat this later, guys. I'm not gonna eat right now. So there you go, guys. That's the soup.